welcome back. This tutorial is actually mostly a demo of a harp called a Bria. It's a 22 string double strung harp you can take anywhere. That means it has 44 strings because it's got two courses of strings. And it's the same shape and size of the Brittany harp, but it's strung from F to F instead of G to G. So I'll show you what it sounds like. Here's the very top. I'll keep going down. The other one was a walnut Bria. This is a cherry Bria. It's a little older. The tone is developed a little bit more, and I'll play it for you too. The high ones. Oops. From the high. I keep my Bria tuned in F so that I can really take advantage of the range of the harp the very most. But then I flip the levers just to put it in the key of C, which also you use that low F a lot, or G, all these, you can use any key. But I have the C levers up right now, which puts it in Aladdin tuning, which is a nice Middle Eastern tone. It's really beautiful to improvise in. And you can also do that on the Bria that has the 12 Joys lever configuration, which if you look on the prices page of my website, has all the lever configurations. So with this, I was just doing lurching glisses and 1/5/8. Now because this one is fully levered, I can also put it in pentatonic mode, so I get this, And I'm just doing just 3-note runs. Left hand just thirds, rocked up. But it just sounds so great. The Bria is also a wonderful therapy harp because it's in that small package like the Eve. You can put it between your legs on a lap harp board and move from room to room easily. And it's also got a warm tone, and it's got that one lower note which some people like when they're playing. So you can also put it on the legs, which are optional, and that's a lot of fun at home because you feel like you have a floor harp. You're just leaning it quickly against your shoulder and playing, and then you run on to do something else. Of course, if you're a certified music practitioner working in hospitals, you can use this as a therapy harp. It's just a little bit heavier than the Eve. Some people prefer the Eve because it's just the lightest weight of all. And the Bria and the Brittany have more weight out in the front because of that beautiful Brian Boru shape. And so the Eve is the very most well balanced. But for most people, they can't tell much of a difference. And so I would say go mostly by the sound and the weight. And of course, you can do your faster, silly tunes just like you do on the other harps. So this is just recycles on an F the whole time. And this is just 158, 168, 168. That's all it is.
Hi, my darling, said Mother. Do you want to come in and work with me? Oh, yes, Mama. Yes, okay, said Mother. Come on in. It's good. Hi, I'm the payer, and I'm the giver. Are you paying? No, I'm not. What? You're just a little kid. You can't pay, said Mother. Oh, yes, I can, Mama. Oh, no, you can't, said Mother.